Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walkie Talkie feature on your Apple Watch Ultra. To begin, ensure your Apple Watch Ultra is updated to the latest watch OS. Then, simply open the Walkie Talkie app on your watch face. You'll see a list of your contacts. Tap the plus sign to add a new friend, and they'll receive an invitation. Once they accept, you're ready for instant two-way communication, making it super easy to connect with others quickly. Starting a conversation is straightforward. Once you've added a contact, simply tap their name in the Walkie Talkie app. To speak, press and hold the large yellow talk button on your watch screen. Your voice will be transmitted instantly. When you're finished speaking, release the button. You'll then hear their reply through your watch's speaker, allowing for seamless, real-time communication with friends and family. Managing your walkie-talkie status is simple. If you need a moment of quiet, you can easily toggle your availability on or off directly within the app. Just scroll to the top and tap the available switch. To remove a contact, swipe left on their name and tap the red delete button. Remember, you can also adjust the volume using the digital crown on your Apple Watch Ultra for a comfortable listening experience. For the best walkie-talkie experience, always ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection. This guarantees clear and uninterrupted communication. When speaking, hold your Apple Watch Ultra naturally and talk clearly into the microphone, which is typically located on the side. Remember, walkie-talkie is designed for quick, short messages, making it perfect for brief check-ins or immediate questions, rather than extended chats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.